Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
We've found this wonderful walkway that we didn't know existed, leading to a lovely waterfall and a geocache.
It's a really nice geocache, so come and have a look at this wonderful place.
The track was a short walk from our Airbnb. The Te Wairere waterfall was hidden for more than 60 years, despite being only a short walk from central Kerikeri. The land was subdivided and the banks became overgrown. Access to the falls was lost. A few years ago, this track reopened.
We visited during a dry summer, but after heavy rains, you need to take care. The track is well marked, and where there are no signs, it's obvious where you should walk. In summer the path is great, but we imagine it could be a bit difficult if there had been a lot of rain.
It's been a nice walk along the river, along the side of the river, and now we've come to a part just here where it looks like there's a big drop. That must be the waterfall, and boy, it looks like it's going to be a good one.
A lot of plants have been put in to return the riverbank to its natural condition, including this native kakabeak, rare in the wild. Then it was rather steeply down to the pool below the waterfall. We turned the corner and walked up to the falls. The falls are 20 metres or 66 feet high and look much higher when you're down here. We came across this strange tree root.
Then it was off to find the geocache. When the cache was placed here, there was no track, and you had to bush bash to its location, hence the 4 terrain rating. Is that strange pile of rocks the sort we're all familiar with? This is a nice big one. A few painted rocks here. Quite cute. Sign the log and put our little path tag in.
We detoured to another waterfall. As little or no rain had fallen recently, it was only a trickle. You can walk all the way to the stone store and Kemp House from here.
We stopped at a great pool for swimming. Locals have put a rope swing and added 2 long pipes. We're not really sure why. Maybe it's for making a waterfall to swim under. Then it was back along the track and on to another geocaching adventure in the Bay of Islands.
Well, that brings us to the end of this cache walk at this really lovely hidden gem. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.